Hello guys, warm welcome. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to actually create table in your database on Microsoft Access. So, I will open my Access blank sheet and search for the Create tab. You will see an option called Query Design. What it does, it opens a new tab to query data. But since we want to create a table, we will right-click on Query 1. We are going to see an option called SQL View, and we left-click on it. To create a table on my database, we are going to be using the syntax create table followed by table name. As shown on the screen. When you are done with table name, make sure you add the field name to the tables and their data types. For integers, e.g. numbers, we use the data type int and field size as long integers. Also, for characters, we use the varchar, or the char to actually represent. It is a character. To add a primary key, we are going to add the word primary key. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.